What you doing?
Writing scripts.
Yeah, why?
So sound like an idiot when I speak, but probably will sound like a fool anyway.
Oh.
But that's okay because that's endearing for YouTube videos.
You're endearing.
Hi, this is TNT Videos. I'm going to show you how we're living in Nonthaburi, Thailand. So my name is Arhenis, and my wife Morgan is behind the camera. And we're a traveling couple trying to make it all the way around the world. So let me show you how we're living. Thailand just recently got rid of all plastic bags in stores, so this has been really important for us. We go to the shop about every other day, and we fill this with groceries. So one of the things that I had to get used to was that in Asia, you got to take your shoes off when you come into the house. No shoes in the house.
Where do we keep our shoes?
We keep them in a little corner over here. So this is our TV. This is our cool little couch contraption. Let me show you how it works. It's actually one of my favorite pieces of furniture here. It turns into a bed. Well, you sleep on it. You can sleep on it if you wanted to, but it goes all the way like this. And blow. You got a whole bed right in your living room. And when you're done, it goes like that. Meanwhile, over here, this little dongle helps our computer show on TV because we can't watch any Thai TV. We don't speak Thai. And whatever's in English is pretty bad on TV.
What do they have in English?
Well, they got all the crappy movies you could ask for, like The Fast and the Furious, like I saw one, I don't know, a lot of trash.
Nature documentaries.
Nature documentaries, a little table where we have lunch and dinner and share all our meals here. And over here, past these really cool sliding doors, which keep the smells from the kitchen from going out everywhere. That separates the climate control areas. Through here, this is where the magic happens. Hi, so this is where the magic happens. It's really normal for Asian kitchens not to have a stove or anything like that. Most kitchens will come with some kind of hot plate. This happens to be an induction hot plate, which fooled me the first time because I put on a non-magnetic pot on it, and well, I just watched it do nothing for like 5 minutes until my wife was like, this is how hot plates work. Of course, you got your normal sink, a little sink, and
what's that in the corner over there?
Oh, this is our favorite thing. This is our what is this called again?
Hot water kettle.
A hot water kettle. Yeah. So I mean, we use it for more than just tea. We make coffee. These little packs of coffee are cool. You heat up the water, and it comes one package with everything you need. But that's basically how you drink coffee out here. You boil water and you add instant coffee. There's no like French presses and shit like that you can find. This is our microwave. We use it sparingly. We don't really heat up a lot of stuff because we make a lot of things fresh. Over here is one of the most important appliances in the house, the washing machine. It's a really dope washing machine. It like squeezes all the water out. And in like most places in Asia, there's no dryers. So it's really important that you got a machine that can squeeze all the water out because most of the drying that happens outside.
Show them what's in the fridge, babe.
All right, so our fridge, we got the basics. We got eggs, we got garlic, chilies. One chili will do you. Butter, which is really expensive out here for some reason. These noodles are dope. All you add is hot water, and 2 minutes later, you got some like fresh noodles. Leftover rice, and some watermelon up here. I'm not gonna pull out. Of course, onions. Onions go in every kitchen. That's it.
Anything in the freezer?
Nope. Let's go to the bathroom.
Crack kills.
It's good to show a little skin.
Keep going.
All right, so this is the bathroom. It's pretty normal bathroom. One thing to note is that there's no medicine cabinet here. So you have to just have your stuff out and just not have too much stuff. The one thing that is lovely, my wife loves this thing. It's called a butt hose.
It's called a bum gun.
Or a hose for your butt. So it's I can't use it because it's like, I don't know, it's a little too strong for me, but my wife says it's like, you know,
You're making me sound weird.
between-
Stop.
So in Asia, and actually most of the places we travel to, you can't throw toilet paper just right down the toilet. So we actually have to dispose of it. I cleaned this out before this video, so you wouldn't see none of our mess. But that's where the toilet paper goes.
And that's why you use the bum gun.
In here is the shower. There's no like built-in hot water in a lot of these buildings. What is this thing, and this directly heats the water from the pipe that goes right to your shower head, and it gets pretty warm. This is our huge bedroom. This is pretty big for Asian apartment. One of the coolest things about our room is this huge closet. Another rarity in Asia. If you come over here, you'll see my wife's little home studio. She makes videos for Nagua. And this is where she sits. She brings a little chair, and actually is pretty good at insulating her from sound. So before we go outside, I want to show you one of the most important features of this place, which is the AC units.
What did we have in our last apartment?
In our last apartment, our AC was a hot breeze, or a broken fan that sometimes worked. So these AC units are one in each room, and they're really cool because we usually just, like at night, we turn that one off, and we turn this one on, and we turn it real low so we get to sleep. Also, when Morgan's working in here, I can be out there chilling with my AC on. But let me take you outside. Like most Asian apartments, they tend to come with a balcony. And balconies are really important because this is where you dry your clothes. Like I said before, there's no dryer, so you have the outside as your dryer. But how efficient is this? This puts hot air into the balcony, which dries your clothes. So your hot air inside dries your clothes outside. And not to mention, you get this awesome view. Down there is our pool, and that's where I like to go swimming sometimes. Not too far from there is a weight room and a sauna. I'll show you later. And then this is where we come out to hang out. There's the train that'll take you right into Bangkok or down to a few malls. There's actually 3 malls out here. That's our favorite one over there where it says Tesco Lotus. That's where we get our groceries. So that's our video. Make sure you subscribe for future updates.